ever sit on a camp chair and think to yourself, you know, this could be worse? No swivel, no cup holder. Every time you move, it feels like it might have to go in the landfill next because it's about to break apart. Well, that's about to be a thing of the past. Introducing the 2024 TCEK Swivel Portable Chair. This is a chair that's so innovative. It's basically the Tesla of camping chairs, but lighter and less expensive. And, well, it swivels. Set up, boom, 8 seconds. Let's time it. Done. That's right. No fiddly parts to lose, no manual, just undo, extend, and boom, you're seated. It's faster than your friends can light the campfire, that's for sure. This chair swivels 180 degrees. You know what that means? Unrestricted movement. Spotting wildlife, boom. Facing the fire, boom. Avoiding awkward silence, boom. Folks, this chair practically dodges all the drama for you. Oh. And finally, a cup holder. Because why should you have to balance your drink on an uneven surface when you can have a cup holder right here? Is it luxurious? Yes. Do I feel like a king in this chair? Also yes. And this feature right here is called a RiseLite. You can adjust this and make the height of the chair lower or taller, depending on what you like. Supports up to 300 pounds. That's right. That's me. That's Piper. And probably the weight of my pride when I fall in the water. Don't ask. And when you're done, it folds up into this nice little tiny bag. Perfect for camping, perfect for a trip to the lake, perfect for sitting around the campfire. Has this cool shoulder strap. You can hang on to it, walk along with it, packs down into a backpack, or easily fits inside your RV. Whether you're on a mountaintop, at the beach, or just avoiding something at home, this TCEK swivel chair has got your back. Literally even has a taller backrest now, so even my questionable posture is supported. TCEK swivel chair. Comfort meets innovation. Adventure smarter, sit better. Grab your TCEK swivel chair today. Link will be down below in the video description. Prepare to never camp the same again. Everybody, I thoroughly enjoy this chair. If you didn't see the first video I did on these chairs, the older model, please go back and check it out. You can see the link right up here in the top, or it'll be linked down below as well. But this chair beats that one by a long shot. I've enjoyed the chair. I think it's one of the nicest camping chairs to carry around in a small setting or a small storage options spaces you may have. So car camping, tent camping, van life, RV life, depending on the model. I think this is something that you can easily take out at the campsite and enjoy, but I like the compact size and the lightweight. I love that it swivels. That's something that camping chairs don't typically come with, so that's one of my favorite aspects of it. And the new cup holder is really nice too. So love the new version of these chairs, and I really appreciate the company sending the second version of this chair out for me to do this review for. So hope you enjoy the review. Hope you have an awesome day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Happy adventures, everybody. Bye. Get your spot. Come here. Come here. Get your stick. Go. Place. Good girl.